Dear friends, welcome to Civil Conclave presentation. Today, what we are going to discuss about what is meant by a National Building Code 2016, and according to that, what are the dimensions to be provided for a building structure and type of a units, etc., along with the class number, which will help you to understand what the National Building Code says about the residential construction and other construction. It's a small note on various classes and everything, which is a nutshell of the NBCC, which will enable you to understand what the code talks about it. What is the standard dimensions requirement of the building component? The dimension of the all components of the building are given by the country's concerned authorities, which define the size and other requirement while designing a building. These standard specifications grant a minimum safeguards to the workers during construction, the user's health, comfort, and provide enough safety to the public. The standard dimensional requirement for various components of each building, such as plinth, habitat rooms, kitchens, ledge and loft, mezzanine room, storeroom, garages, are all given below. Here, I show you an image which will tell you what are the components of the building. You add a foundation, you add a staircases, you add a ground floor, plinth level, windows, doors, ceiling, building services such as MEP services, railing where it is to come, what will be the terrace, etc. Now let us go to the detail. Minimum requirements for a group A dwelling, which is defined in section 708. Minimum horizontal distance of court and yards, that means the setback area should be 2 meters. Minimum number of a toilet for a dwelling, one for each unit. Minimum thickness of the footing should be 250 mm. Minimum depth below the ground level should be 600 mm deep. Minimum floor live load at the ground floor will be 200 kg per centimeter square. Minimum floor live load at succeeding upper floors will be 150 kg per square meter. Minimum wind load for the roof should be 120 kg per square meter. Minimum width of the stairs in the group A dwellings will be 750 mm. Minimum rise and runs for steps of every stairs will be 200 mm and 200 mm respectively. Open spaces left after deducting outmost face of the building, which is known as a yard. Minimum horizontal distance of court and yard, that is the setback, should be 2 meters. Minimum setback for R1 residence should be 4.5 meter front, 2 meters on the sides. Building height limits. Residential R1 and townhouses R4 should be 3 stories or a 10 meter. Whereas for a condominium R5 structure, 12 to 18 storage, that is 36.54 meter. Building height limits for a residential, that is R2 and R3, 3 story or 10 meter. Building heights for a residential maximum R2, that is a residential 2, 5 story or a 15 meter. Minimum height for a R3 will be 12 stories or a 36 meter. Building height limits for a cultural buildings will be 30 meters. Allowed projections but excluded in the BU building height computations are antenna, signages, and towers. Maximum height R row in 3 meters, 2 story or 6 meter. Maximum height R row in 4.5 meters will be 2.5 story or a 7.5 meter. Classification occupancy. Group A, R1 to R5, which is known as a residential dwellings. Group B, multiple dwellings, convents, monasteries, condominiums, and hotels. This is known as a residential and hotel apartment. Group C, schools, colleges, and university, which is known as education and recreation. Group D, mental hospital, asylum, jails, prisons, nursing homes, etc., which is known as institutional. Group E, that is a gas stations, office building, retail stores, mall. This is known as a business and mercantile. Buildings such as factories, ice plants, power plants, cold storage, these are all fall under the group F, which is known as the industrial. Group G, repair garages, aircraft hangars, other workshop using flammable substances. That is known as a storage and hazardous. Group H, assembly other than group 1 or 1000 below occupant load. That is assembly minus 1000. Group I, above assembly above 1000 occupant load. That is known as assembly plus 1000. Group J, that is agricultural building, private garages, fence over 1.8 meters, tanks, and swimming pools. This is known as an accessories type of a construction. Type 1 construction known as a wood construction. Type 2 construction, wood plus 1 hour FR, that is a fire rating. Wooden masonry with a fire resistance techniques, that is a type 3. Concreting masonry and steel iron for a fire rating of 1 hour will be type 4. Concreting masonry, steel and iron with a 4-hour fire resistance, which is known as a type 5. Minimum of street parking area, that is you can refer table 7.4. Dwelling units, that is R1, R2, R3. Okay, with a 32 to 72 square meter, 1 per 6 unit. Dwelling units, which is R1 and R2, R3, with a 50 to 96 square meters, 1 per 4 units. Dwelling units, R1 and R2, R3, with 100 to 120 square meter, 1 per unit. Dwelling units, R4, with 50 to 150 square meter, 1 per unit. Indigenous family dwelling units, 1 per 6 unit. Dwelling units and condominium units, R5, with 8 to 22 square meter ground floor area, will be 1 per 8 unit. Dwelling units in condominium units, that is R5, 1 per 6 unit. Whereas in 100 square meter, it is 1 per 4 unit. Parking space requirement for a hotel, 1 per 3 rooms plus 2 bus. Parking space for a motels will be 1 for every unit. Bowling alleys parking space will be 1 per 4 alleys. Parking space for a churches and other workshop area, 1 car 50 square meter and 1 jeep of 50 square meter. Public elementary secondary schools, 1 per 10 classroom. Private elementary and vocationals will be 1 per 5 classrooms. Public colleges and universities will be 1 per 5 classroom. Private colleges and universities, 1 per 3 classroom. Mental hospital, asylums and everything, 1 per 25 beds. Parking space for a public hospital will be 1 per 25 beds, 2 jeeps and 1 articulated truck. Private hospital, 1 per 12 bed, 2 jeeps and 7 articulated trucks. Nursing homes, orphanages and everything will be 1 per 12 unit. Average car parking, that is perpendicular and diagonal measurements, will be 5 meters. Parallel parking will be 2.15 by 6 meter. Jiffney parking measurement will be 3 by 9 meter. Bus truck measurement will be 3.6 by 12 meters. Truck parking measurement, that is a 10 or 12 wheel trucks, will be 3.6 to 18 meters. Space for terminals, intermodals, depots, and likes. That is 1 per 500 square meter. Shopping centers and supermarkets 1 per 100 square meter. Fast foods, beer houses 1 per 30 square meter. Theater, restaurant, and nightclubs will be 1 per 20 square meter. Columbarium 1 per compartment niche. Breweries, mills, and other industrial building 1 car per 1000 square meter and 1 bus for 100 workers. Mercantile banks like factories will be 1 car per 1000 square meter, 1 bus for 100 workers. Cinemas, assembly halls, dance halls, etc. 1 car per 50 square meter. Amusement park, 1 car per 50 square meter. Clubhouses, beach houses, 1 car per 100 square meter. Agricultural building, if located in urbanized area, 1 per 1000 square meter of ground floor area. Types of lots. Section 8. Lots bounded on all sides with 1 RRO and 50 open space, which is known as an interior lot. Lots bounded on 3 sides, 1 side facing the street, 20% of open space will be inside lot. Percentage of open space for corner lots 10%. Percentage of open space for throw lots will be 5%. Percentage for space corner 5%. Open space for end lots will be 30 to 50%. Minimum horizontal distance of court and yards, that is known as a setback, should be 2 meters. For R1, it should be 4.5 meters in the front and 2 meters in the sides. General lighting and ventilation, that is known as a Rule 8. Minimum ceiling height for artificially ventilated rooms should be 2.7 meters. Artificially ventilated rooms for succeeding upper storage will be 2.4 meters. Ceiling height for a naturally ventilated rooms 2.7 meters. Minimum height of the mezzanine floors will be 1.8 meters. Minimum area of rooms for habitations will be 6 square meters. Dimensions of various habitat rooms. For a kitchen, it should be 3 square meters. Dimension for a kitchen will be 1.5. Area of the toilet and bath will be 1.2 square meters. Dimension for toilet and bath 90 meters. Window openings related to floor area for rooms should be 10%. Minimum windows opening floor area of the toilet 1/20 or not less than 240 millimeter square. Clearance for window openings, etc. 750 mm. Width and height of the window opening should be 820 by 1000 mm. Bottom openings for windows intended to be used as an emergency exit will be 820 mm. Vent shaft should be 1 square meter. Vent shafts 600 mm. Unobstructed of air duct should be 30 square meter. Center to distance of the sprinkler heads will be 1.8 meter. Public land and open space, which has been equally enjoyed by the community and on no restriction, will be easements. General lighting. How many days prior to the excavation should owner inform to the adjacent parties, not less than 10 days? What form of building permit? NBC Form B1. Fencing permit, NBC Form B3. NBC Form B5, temporary sidewalks and occupancy. Scaffolding permit, that should be NBC Form B6. What is NBC Form B7? Sign permit. Demolition permit known as a B8. Ideal slope of the play area should be 1 to 2%. The slope doesn't drain well and needs to be paved 1%. NBC Form B9 deals with the violations. NBC Form B10, certificate of complication. Form B11, certificate of occupancy. 1.2 meters supposed to be the minimum width of the archway. 30 meters, that is the minimum distance from the building main entrance to the elevator. Minimum door width of the elevator should be 800 mm. Size of the elevator should be 1.1 by 1.4 meter. Standard gauge for metal hoods and barbecues, section 1211.2.b. Minimum height of a Siamese connection above grade 300 mm. Standpipe from the opening stairway will be 300 mm. Minimum wall thickness of the fireplace will be 200 mm. Projection room, refer section 1214. Two exists, which should be 0.75 by 2 meter. Extended portion of the chimney above the room, which should be 600 mm. Air space between the masonry walls and the chimney should be 2 meter by 50 mm. Thickness of the glasses used for floors should be 12.5 mm. Minimum height of a guardrail, that's in the grandstand, should be 900 mm. Width of a run in a grandstand should be 280 mm. Minimum spacing for seats with a backrest should be 750 mm. Without a backrest, and which is to be back to back, will be 600 mm. Minimum width of the exit door should be 1.7 meter. Side aisles 1.1 meter. Minimum width of the side aisles, side wing, only one side will be 800 mm. Minimum width of the side aisle serving two sides will be 1 meter. Open space requirement for interior. Rule 8, figure number 8.18. That is 50% of lot area. Open space requirement for a corner plot will be 10% of the lot area. Minimum increase in width of aisles for every linear meter 30 mm. Minimum width of the residential group, that is the A dwelling, will be 750 mm. Standard area of the toilet will be 1.2 square meter. Least dimension for toilet should be 900 mm. Minimum area of the kitchen should be 3 square meter. Least dimension should be 1.5 meter. Bounded all around the periphery of the building will be known as the inner court. Minimum area of a vent shaft should be 1 square meter. Air space for a school room per person will be 3 cubic meter. Air space requirement for a workspace and a factories per person will be 12 cubic meter. Air space requirement for a habitational rooms will be 14 cubic meter. Minimum dimension for the open air duct will be 300 mm. Maximum projection beyond the property line of a footing along with the national road should be 300 mm. Maximum projection beyond the property line and a sidewalks of 0.6 meter will be 500 mm. Minimum clearance of the canopy from the sidewalks will be 3 meter. Minimum clearance of arcade about sidewalk will be 3 meter. Minimum stair width for an occupant load not less than 50 will be 0.9 meter. When it becomes more than 50, it will be 1.1 meter. Temporary walkway in front of the building will be 1.2 meter. Minimum width of the temporary walkway will be 0.6 meter. Open space, the setback should be 2 meter width. Minimum horizontal dimension of a court 2 meter. Passageway connecting street and a court will be 1.2 meter. Minimum headroom clearance for a mezzanine will be 1.8 meter. Minimum total area of a window should be 10% of the floor area. Minimum dimension of the vent shaft should be 0.6 meter. Horizontal clearance for the curb line should be 300 mm. Lowest portion of the awning ground should be 2.4 meter. Minimum height of the construction of the fence will be 2.4 meter. Maximum height of a protective railing in a construction should be 1 meter. Maximum height of the handrail above the stair thread will be 900 mm. Minimum height of the handrail should be 800 mm. Minimum ceiling height will be 2.7 meter. Maximum dimension of a stair landing 1.2 meters. Maximum slope of an exit court will be 1.1. Maximum width of the circular stair will be 250 mm. Maximum headroom clearance for any stairs will be 2 meters. Maximum slope of exit passageway will be 188. Minimum distance of any portion from the building of a nozzle 23-meter fire hose will be 6 meters. Maximum number of exits will be 1 per side. Minimum extension above the roof will be 1.2 meters. Minimum width of the stairs 900 mm. A store window wherein goods are displayed is known as a show window. Lateral spacing for a plastic skylights will be 2.5 meters. Minimum staircase for a skylights along the slope will be 3 meters. Minimum distance from electrical post to telephone wire will be 1 meter. Maximum width of the business sign will be 1.2 meters. Minimum size of a thread for an entrance or exit shop 300 mm. Minimum number of steps to the entrance or exit should be 2 steps. Maximum slope of exit ramp will be 1:10. Standard turn circle of a wheelchair will be 1.5 meters. Perpendicular or diagonal parking slot will be 2.5 meters by 5 meters. Parallel parking lot will be 2.5 by 5 meters. Hotel building parking ratio will be 1:3 bedroom. Public hospital parking ratio will be 1:25 beds. Private hospital will be 1:12 beds. Maximum distance of a handicapped parking will be 60 meters. Public colleges and university will be 1:5 classrooms. Private colleges and everything will be 1:3. Theaters and cinemas. Parking ratio 1:50 square meter of a spectator area. Churches will be 1:50 square meter. Minimum rise and run of a stair will be 200 mm. Rooms habitates will be 6 meters. Least dimension for a human habitates will be 2 meters. Dimension of the air duct will be 300 mm. Encroachment for a public sidewalk, that is 500 mm. Minimum dimension of the exit doors will be 0.9 by 2 meters. Fully openable doors will be 200 mm. Minimum staircase width up to 50 occupants 1.1 meter. Less than 50 occupants 90 meter, 0.90 meter. 10 occupants will be 0.75. Height of the handrail should be 100 mm. Winding stair at any steps will be 150 mm. Allowable maximum ventilation variation tolerances will be 5 mm. Width of the stairs requiring an intermediate handrail will be 3 meters. Minimum width of the aisle serving both sides will be 1 meter. Minimum width of the aisle serving only one side will be 1 meter. Maximum projection of a penthouse other than the roof will be 8.4 meter. Maximum ratio of the penthouse to the supporting roof will be 1/3. Thickness of the walls for a masonry chimneys in a residential will be 100 mm. Stone masonry will be 300 mm. Minimum number of storage required will be 4 storage. Minimum volume of a dry sand pipe should provide 900 liters per minute. Diameter of the dry sand pipe will be 4. Minimum volume of water and interior wet side provide 190 liters per minute. Minimum diameter of the wet pipe will be 2 by 50 mm. Standard diameters of the various pipes have been provided here. Minimum projection of a non-arcaded sidewalk will be 1.2 meters. Maximum projection into arcaded sidewalks with a signboard will be 0.6 meter. Vertical clearance from the bottom of the signage to the arcaded sidewalks will be 5 meter. Maximum vertical clearance from the bottom of a signage to a non-arcaded will be 3 meters. Number of days of work abandonment of a stoppage of a building permit to expire should not exceed more than 120 days. Width of the planting strip on sidewalks will be 0.8 meter. Maximum horizontal distance of the curb line will be 500 millimeter. Slope of the ramp to road will be 1/3 or by 1/4. Slope of a driveway will be 1 in 8. Minimum clearance of the conductors from any platform will be 3 meter. Conductors from the height point of the roof 2.5 meter. Vertical drop line should be 3 meter. Vertical service drop communication will be 5.5 meter. Minimum width of an access road should be 3 meter. General requirement of the occupant load. Unit area per occupant of the dwelling will be 28 square meter. For hotel and dormitories will be 18.6 square meter. Offices and garages will be 9.3 square meter. Classroom 1.8 square meter. Stores and retail showrooms will be 5.6 square meter. When it is located in the basement and ground floor, it should be 2.8 square meter. Nurseries for children will be 3.5 square meter. Home for aged will be 7.4 square meter. Aircraft hangars will be 46.5 square meter. Warehouses and mechanical equipment room will be 28 square meter. Auditorium theaters will be 0.65 square meter. Minimum exit first floor above the occupant load of more than 10 will be 2 exit. One or more habitat rooms which are occupied will be called as a dwelling unit. The portion of the structure which spreads and transmits the loads directly to the soil, which is known as a footing. Continuous horizontal line of masonry units known as a cause. A room or suite of more rooms will be known as an apartment. A stationary open health brazier. A parking requirement for amusement parks. 1.5 square meter for a glass pour area. Public markets 1:150 square meter or a 1:300 square meter for a seller and vendor. Neighborhood shopping center 1/100 square meter, which is parking requirement for a dwelling units more than 100 square meter will be 1 per living unit. If it is 50 square meter, it should be 1:8 living units. Balconies projection over 3 meters should be 0.6 meter. Maximum projection of balconies over a street of 10 meter and less than 11 meter will be 1 meter. Spacing of the posts of the two-way wooden structure 4.5 meter. Maximum number of exits for an institutional structure will be 2 exits. Maximum travel distance from exit point to the without a sprinkler will be 45 meter. Maximum traveling distance from any point with a sprinkler system will be 60 meter. A long interior passageway is known as a corridor. The temperature in which liquid transforms into vapor is known as a boiling point. Maximum intensity of light for exit will be 10.7 lux. Maximum living load capacity for a construction canopy will be 600 kg per centimeter square. Minimum lighting for canopies protecting a pedestrian during construction 1000 watts. Maximum height of the construction fence will be 2.4 meter. Protective railings will be 1 meter. Wire glass for a bathtub will be 5.6 mm. Laminated glass for a bathtub will be 6.4 mm. Tempered glass for a bathtub will be 4.8 mm. Amount of fine graph variation 1000 php. Violation of non-posting occupancy and building permit, light violation. Violation for use without appropriate occupancy permit is a less grave. Demolition without permit, grave violation. Air supplies per minute per person in auditorium will be 0.3 cubic meter. Minimum wind load will be 120 kgs. Minimum of glass thickness will be 5.6 mm. Maximum length will be 1.2 meter. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at the rate of civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, for which the link has been shown below. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Do not forget to hit the bell button, which will enable you to receive the notification as soon as my next presentation comes down. Thank you for watching.